Hey folks, Larry's here and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens. I'm Larry Baronis here in Fort Worth, Texas. So today I want to do my top 3 journal, and then out of that top 3 I will show you my number 1 journal for 2020. So here is the first one, the Midori Traveler's Notebook. Very awesome, beautiful notebook. This is the Traveler's version. They had a split a while back. It was the Midori, and the Midori went one way and Travelers took over another way. So this is one of them, and I have another one as well, different color. I really like them. They're convenient. Made these notebook inserts with the Tomo River paper in them. And I do my journaling, and I keep notes, and I keep count of the virus counts. Just things that are important for me. And this holds, I have, 3 notebooks in here. Some people put 4, 5, 6. You can make a nice sandwich out of this, and it's really a great notebook, and I use this everywhere. It's just part of me. So this has been with me since day one. And the only thing that I don't like about the notebook is that the way the inserts go in. This is me anyway. I mean, disagree or agree. I use the rubber band insert, which I still have it in here. I don't have anything in it now because I'm showing, but I can put 2 in this and then stick it through here, and I can have 4 in here if I want, but I just did mine a little different, and it works out well. But to get them out, you've got to go out and pull them out, pull the whole, almost disassemble the whole thing, which is okay, but I like something that I can just take it out, take one out, and put one in real quick without disturbing the whole notebook. But it's still great. Just one of my pet peeves. So I had this one made. Awesome. Leather. Beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It really is. Same type. Holds the same type insert. Let me open it up and show you. So here's what's cool about this one. I have mine done with 1, 2, 3, 4 holders in it, elastic holders. So if I want to take one out, all I do without taking out anything else, just take out one, boom, I'm good to go. And to put in, let's say a new fresh one in, do the same thing, just reverse it and boom, to go, and you're good to go, right? So this is really nice, and I really like it. So these 2 are great journals for me. And up there, I have many more different types of, well, they're right in here, journals here, a few journals up there, different types that are nice as well. So, and then my next one is going to be the Lockbee Field Note Journal. Handle. I love the way it fastens. It's got Velcro on the back where you can put things in. I always carry an extra one. Open it up. You've got your compartments on the side to put whatever you want in there. And then I have an A5 notebook here, which I'll talk about in a few. And then this Log B comes with 3 notebooks. And I like the way it's set up. It's set up like I had this one done. With 1, 2, and 3, which is fine because like I have the blank insert, then I have the dot grid insert, then I have the line insert in here, and it's Tumble River paper as well, which I really love. So then it has for your pen or pencil or whatever you're going to use right here. It's got one here, and which works out really nice. And then this is an A5 notebook. It fits in there real nice. Here is another journal I really love, and it complements the Log B for me, the A5. It's a endless recorder. I picked this up from Federalist Pens and Tumble River paper. So it works really well, which has the bookmarker on it and the book closure elastic on the back. So I always kind of like put that in there. And what's cool about the Log B, it also has bookmarkers, ribbons right here to keep your paper in place where you know you're going to be. So it has everything right in here. And right in here is another back sleeve. You could put another A5 notebook if you heart desires on it. So this Log B field journal notebook has all the bells and whistles. This one, affordable, took a lot of thinking, a lot of planning, and a lot of experimenting to make this be, for me, one of the most interesting and useful journals that I've seen in a long time. It really is awesome. It has everything. It has all the bells and whistles. It has everything all laid out in here for you. It's just incredible, right? So a lot of times I just carry this, but I keep all my homework in there where I do all my reviews. So out of the 3, the top, just on my top 3, this is my number 1 choice. Bam. The Log B. Well, that's going to wrap up for my 2020 top 3 and top 1 number 1 choice of journals. I hope you enjoyed my little take on what I like. Of course, you guys are different. You may not agree, and that's totally cool. We all have a different like and dislikes and different choices. We're all different personalities. I had to have a hit of fresh air. So anyway, my friends, if you decide to ever get a Log B, may it be a journal or a pen case, just mention Larry's Fountain Pens. It's where you heard it from. I'm telling you, this notebook will blow you away. Thank you for hanging with me, staying with me, and being with me. And again, thank you for all the kind comments, prayers. It's been rough, but gradually it'll get a little better. Before I leave, very important message. For those who have dogs, cats, pets, love your doggy. Pick that doggy up right now or kid and give them a big hug. Tell them you love them. They're always there for you. Give them the love they deserve. They give you total love, so we give them total love. And when they're sick, they're like humans. They need to go to the doctor. Yes, it's expensive. So, if you have an animal, you need to be there for them. And they need that medical attention. It can be expensive, yes. But they still need medical attention. Help them all you can. Right? Take care, my friends. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. Don't forget to hit that little bell to notify you when I put up a video. Take care, my friends, and God bless. Bye-bye. Number 1.